That's locked. Unlocked. Off.
You're going to bring the machine down.
As you do it, it's best to hold the nut so it doesn't jump off. And as you can see, there's a washer just underneath, it just comes off, and then you can then remove the segments. Put on, you just basically do the opposite, so put the washer on first, and then put the black segment, and just place the nut in the centre, holding it down so it doesn't fall off, and just semi-tighten onto the end of the rod. Once you've done that, use the 13mm spanner and tighten slightly, and then once you're ready, then just use that and tighten it up further. Do it until it's pretty much tight. Don't over tighten, but you'll feel when it's ready to stop. There you go. And now all you do is place the lid back on, making sure the bottom part is lined up with the black part, so then it just goes down and just lock in place. Done.
Right.